Starting around 23 June 2023, a share endlessness really is exchanging at $5.52 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.73% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. Axie generally has a genuinely all-out market cap of $646,941,431, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $73,046,808 in an extremely huge manner. This generally makes a share endlessness, Axie, truly positioning at 61 in the digital currency market, in a kind of significant manner, on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the share vastness cost forecast finish of 2023. What will a share endlessness essentially be somewhat worth in 2023? Which especially is genuinely critical. Is a share limitlessness a truly wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite enormous manner? Will Axie's cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled most certainly high in and in every practical sense, significant way? These are our share boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future in an essentially significant manner. A share limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the share vastness gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost really is supposed to, in a real sense, cross a very normal value level of $6.36, the normal pretty least value worth of a share boundlessness, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to generally be $6.16, or so they especially thought. Besides, Axie can by and large arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $6.77 in a very huge manner. A share endlessness value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of a share limitlessness is supposed to truly be at around a genuinely least of $4.72, which especially is very critical. A share endlessness cost can in every practical sense arrive at a for the most part limit of $5.37, with the really normal cost of $5.22 in United States dollars, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. A share boundlessness value conjecture July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of a share endlessness for the most part is supposed to sort of be at around and in every way that really matters, least of $5.18. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. A share endlessness cost can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally limit of $5.63, with the extremely normal cost of $5.38 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Axie's value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of a share limitlessness especially is estimated to fundamentally be at around a truly least worth of $5.24. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The share limitlessness value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a sort of limit of $5.85, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $5.49 in United States dollars in a huge way. A share vastness value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the very greatest cost for a share endlessness could essentially stretch around $6.07 in a significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Axie in September 2023 for the most part is $5.46 with a by and large normal cost of $5.71 in a kind of significant manner. A share endlessness value expectation October 2023. A share vastness cost generally is supposed to for the most part reach between $5.68 to $6.29 in October 2023, while the in every practical sense, normal cost of Axie for the October sort of stays around $5.88 a share limitlessness. Axie value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of a share boundlessness truly is certainly anticipated to essentially arrive at a kind of typical cost of $6.11, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $6.53 and a kind of least of $5.86, which in a real sense is very critical. A share limitlessness, Axie, value figure December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of a share vastness really is truly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a sort of typical cost of $6.36, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $6.77 and a sort of least of $6.16, so explicitly is Axie boundlessness and in every practical sense. Why is speculation are especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of huge manner? Axie limitlessness fundamentally passed value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been essentially diminished by 1.17% in its especially current worth, showing how Axie vastness, Axie's value expectation 2023. As per the Axie boundlessness conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a kind of normal value level of $6.36, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Axie boundlessness, toward the finish of the extremely current year, ought to all things considered, be $6.16 in a genuinely significant way. On the off chance that we essentially look at the sort of current market cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. From most recent 7 days the Axies sort of was in every practical sense, great vertical pattern and expanded by 14.99%. So Axie boundlessness, Axies, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness especially is truly anticipated to especially arrive at an extremely normal cost of $6.36, while the coin could exchange between a buy and large limit of $6.77 and a fundamentally least of $6.16. So explicitly is Axie vastness a wise venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie vastness especially has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to fundamentally dive right in and contribute, showing the way that Axie limitlessness cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $5.37, with the truly normal cost of $5.22 in United States dollars, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Axies in a real sense diminished by 41.313%, killing an astounding certainly normal amount of $3.88 from its essentially current worth, in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a genuinely decent, certainly purchase a valuable open door for in every practical sense, fast interest in a significant way. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 52.98%, and the cost explicitly coursed from a fundamentally least certainly normal cost of $10.80 to truly greatest most certainly normal cost of $12.31 in the especially beyond 90 days, which generally demonstrates the way that the Axie boundlessness value worth can by and large arrive at and in every way that really matters. Limit of $5.85 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $5.49 in United States dollars.